Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the VelvetLox coming back to you with an awesome detox drink for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 30 pounds in 15 days with this powerful smoothie. Okay? Now, what you're going to need is a full-size blender. You're also going to need one large cucumber, preferably organic. Now, this is optional. You can use a piece of ginger, about an inch, a ½ inch of jalapeno. Now, if that's too much, you can start off by 1/4. You're going to need about a half of lemon. We're also going to be working with some cilantro, as well as pineapple. Now, as you can see, we're not using any water. So our hydration, our water is coming straight from our cucumbers. Now I'm going to start off by adding 1 cup of cilantro to my blender. Next, I'm going to add in 1/2 of my peeled lemon. We're just using the inside of the lemon. Then, this is optional. You can use 1 inch of ginger, like so. This one is a little bit more than an inch. And I'm just going to slice that up and put that inside of my blender. Now, this part is optional. You do not need to put the ginger in because that's just going to rev up this next ingredient, which is the jalapeno. Now, you can start off with a ½ a jalapeno. Now, we're going to add in a cup of our pineapple. If you're sensitive to pineapple, you can substitute that with kiwi. And I would suggest 2 kiwis. Next is our cucumber. Now I'm just going to chop it up into pieces. This is an organic cucumber. I've washed it. But if you're not using an organic cucumber, just de-skin it or really wash that skin off good. But if not, just take the skin off. The cucumber is basically our source in this for water. So we're not going to be needing to add any water to it. But like I said, if you're not used to the jalapeno, you may want to also add in a little bit of water, or you can add in some coconut water just to give it a nicer taste. Okay, so now we are ready to blend. Okay, you guys, so now you're going to get your favorite Big Mama, Big Papa mug. Now our drink is ready. Okay, so now your drink is ready. We're going to pour us a glass. Now what you're going to do, you're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. This is what's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to balance the pH levels in your body. This is going to speed up digestion, and it's adding hydration because of the cucumbers. Now you guys, this is powerful. This is going to heat up your body. This is like a thermogenic drink, and it's powerful. It's going to stir up your intestines, get it revving and ready. This is also going to heat your body up. So just know that it's hot and spicy. So if you're not used to spice, you may want to start off with a little bit of the jalapeno at a time. But I tell you, you guys, you're going to see some drastic changes in your stomach area, in the fat cells of your body. You're going to see your skin smoothing down, your belly area smoothing down. It's not that great of a taste because of the spice, but it is a powerful extreme drink. But I tell you, you guys, you're going to see some drastic changes in your stomach area, in the fat cells of your body. You're going to see your skin smoothing down, your belly area smoothing down. But just know that this is definitely a powerful and extreme weight loss drink. You will feel the fire in this drink, okay? So you guys, I thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos on your social media platform, your Facebook, your Twitter, with your friends and family who are also on a wonderful weight loss journey, okay? This is what's going to help you to lose weight. Also check down below for the links for these blenders, the NUTRIBULLET personal and full-size blender, as well as these metal straws. This is what's great for your enamel when you're drinking these acidic drinks or powerful staining drinks, okay? And y'all, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the VelvetLox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.